Guys, how you doing? We're gonna do a real quick review of the Hot Wheels Redlines car culture. First off, we're gonna go with the '68 Copa Camaro.
Nah, this guy really done that.
Nice wheels, hood, blackout, front grills, real riders, of course, metal to metal, real riders. Nice, very nice. Next up, we're gonna go with the '69 Corvette Razor. Like the wheels, like the yellow. Very nice tempos. Very nice. Wow, look at that. This guy is just calling for speed. Right here, and again from the Hot Wheels Redliners car culture. The '69 Corvette Razor. Next up, we're gonna go with the '68 Mercury Cougar. Look at the wheels on this thing, man. Look at the chrome. Look at the wheels. Look at the real riders, of course, metal to metal. Nice tempos. Look at the front grille of this thing, man. This beast, straight up muscle. America's own Mercury Cougar. Of course, of the Hot Wheels Redliners car culture. Here's the artwork. Next up, we're gonna go with one of my favorites. It's the '70 Dodge Charger GT. Again, muscle car, pure muscle, American muscle right here. V8, V12 engines. Cars are screaming for speed. You get one of these guys are like screaming for you to break the law. But of course, you can't do that.
Well, if you don't answer Polo,
Right.
I'm answering to the other Polos.
And last but not least,
Like 3 other people say Polo.
super
and I was
duper,
like, wait, you're not my Polo to my Marco.
everybody's desirable '55 Chevy Bel Air. 55 Chevy Bel Air. Alright. Look at that. Look at the engine. Real riders, of course, metal to metal. Bad gasser, man. Alright. Alright, guys. That's the Hot Wheels Redliners car culture. 5 vehicles. If you have any questions, tips, comments, or suggestions, hit me up. Leave a message. Until then, guys, happy hunting and God bless.